Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka number 54. Becoming Brahman, serene in the self, he neither grieves nor desires. The same to all beings, he obtains supreme devotion towards me.
Chapter 18, Shloka 54. ब्रह्मभूतप्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न काङ्क्षति समः सर्वेषु भूतेषु मद्भक्तिं लभते पराम्.
Chapter 18, Shloka 54. After the outer and inner preparations described in the previous shlokas, now in this shloka, the next stage of development is explained. Through discipline, when the ego and its manifestations, that is, power, pride, lust, passion, and the sense of possession, are liquidated, a greater peace is experienced within, which should be protected by definite efforts and constant vigilance. This relative peace has to be maintained for longer periods. Even when the sense of agency has been destroyed, the other aspect of the ego, I enjoy mentality, will assert itself and poison the mind of the meditator. If it is not destroyed, the surviving part will grow into a healthier ego, more powerful than before. One who has read well, reflected upon, and understood the theme of the absolute reality has only convinced himself of the existence and nature of the reality as discussed in the scriptures. He is less agitated as disturbances are due to identification with the equipments of experiences only. So he withdraws his all-out clinging to the matter realms and his tranquility grows. He does not grieve as he feels no completeness in himself and doesn't desire and make plans for satisfaction and temporary gratifications. Such a tranquil seeker who in his understanding desires nothing and has developed and an independent source of happiness which is free from the presence or absence of objects, lives life with a new set of values related to the divine presence. He constantly identifies with the higher, and Lord Krishna says this type of individual attains supreme devotion unto me. Release from preoccupations, expansion of vision, and universality of love are necessary in order to produce in the seeker supreme love for the Lord. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.